Welcome to Midweek News, episode 72 for April 17th, 2024. Microsoft is actively blocking Windows 11 tweak tools. This probably sounds like a broken record because this is not the first time Microsoft has done something like this. Microsoft is claiming its latest efforts are due to security and stability concerns. I'll be the first to call BS on that. So far, these attempts are just annoying and can be circumvented by skilled users. SiFive is promising another 64-bit RISC-V dev board. The new board is called the HiFive Premier P550 and was unveiled in Germany. Powered by 4 SiFive-designed P550 cores, the P550 CPU is a result of an on-again, off-again relationship SiFive has with Intel. It remains to be seen when this board will be available and what the pricing will look like. Netplan 1.0 will be available in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and Debian 13. For the uninitiated, Netplan is a utility to easily configure networking on various kinds of Linux systems. Highlights of the 1.0 release: support for both WPA2 and WPA3 security protocols, a new Netplan status diff subcommand, support for Mellanox VF lag for high-performance networking, and a stable libnetplan 1 API. Ubuntu Pro for IoT devices announced by Canonical. The new subscription brings 10 years of security maintenance for Ubuntu and thousands of packages for IoT deployments. This will bring device management capabilities through Canonical's landscape management tool to the IoT space. Linux desktop market share continues to be above 4%. The debate continues about whether Chrome OS should be counted as, quote, desktop Linux, unquote, as that would bring the market share up over 6%. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues. Gparted Live has been patched against the XZ Backdoor, now powered by Linux kernel 6.7. Based on Debian SID as of April 8th, Gparted Live 1.6.0-3 ships XZ Utils 5.4.5-0 instead of the tainted XZ 5.6. If you're a Gparted Live user, be sure to grab the latest ISO. Penpot 2.0 adds many new features to its open source platform. If you're not closely following the development, Penpot is an alternative to Figma. Some new features: support for CSS grid layouts, an overhauled user interface, better iconography and typography, collapsible menus, improved reading contrast, and the ability to navigate with just a keyboard. Check the article or visit the Penpot website for additional details. Nextcloud Ups AI Assistant to 2.0 and backports it to Hub 7. Nextcloud has been a big advocate of ethical AI, so this is of particular interest to me. New in this version are Context Chat and Context Write for helping explain your data to your team or your customers. The Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Beta is now available. Expected release date for this new Ubuntu version is April 25th. This is shaping up to be an interesting release. DaVinci Resolve 19 Beta is now available. You can get your hands on this beta of DaVinci Resolve 19 whether you happen to be running Linux, macOS, or Windows. The new release introduces AI tools. Grab your copy of the beta now to start testing. Ubuntu 24.10 and Debian Trixie getting refined apt command line interface. It's no secret that apt has fallen behind other tools when it comes to having a pretty interface. Overlays such as Nala have attempted to solve this problem, but introduced many additional requirements to accomplish that feat. The new apt will be version 3.0 when it's released. The development version is 2.9, and you can try it out now on a test system if you are brave. And finally, OpenRazer 3.8 supports new devices. The new release brings support for Razer's Cobra, Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed, Black Widow V4, and more, along with many bug fixes. If you're into the blinky lights and LEDs, you won't want to miss this. I'd appreciate it if you could take a moment to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.